Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Sketchbook account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Autodesk Sketchbook account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Autodesk Sketchbook and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on login link shown on the page. Click on profile icon at the top right side of the screen. To sign into your Sketchbook account, enter your email address and click on next. On the next page, enter your password associated with your Sketchbook account and tap on sign in option. In case if you want to stay signed in to your account, tick mark on the box that says stay signed in. This is how you can log into your Autodesk Sketchbook account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.